As a student that is preparing for your exams, or you are still in school, trying to do well in your classroom examinations, or you are preparing for any of these exams like WAEC, NECO, JAM, screening, GCE, and all the rest, I want to encourage you to join our book club. Aside this, our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, we have an online book club. Some of you complain to me that you're trying to read and you don't understand. Some of you say you have been trying to follow the tutorials as it's difficult for you. Join the YouTube club. Join our online book club. A book club is a community of other readers. People, students from different parts of the country, from different parts of the world that are also interested in reading. You will see a link in the comment section right now. Click on it, it will take you to where you will register on the book club. The book club is on WhatsApp. It's a community of book club. We'll keep encouraging you. You can ask your questions. So click on the link in the description right now and join us in Noble Book Club.